Hello everyone, this is your mathematics educator Abhinav Jha and I'm back with yet another video. So guys, आप सभी ने JEE Mains 2023 के क्वेश्चंस देखे होंगे और ये क्वेश्चन आया था 29th January shift 1. So guys, how to approach this kind of problem related to domain? So a lot of students obviously follow the conventional method of calculating the domain of numerator and calculating the domain of denominator, and then they definitely take the intersection of both their domains and then they arrive to the answer. So let's do the conventional method, and also at the end of the video we'll be looking at the I-30 way of solving this question in 10 seconds. So let's write down the domain of numerator. So numerator की अगर हम domain की बात करें, so guys you can easily write down over here, obviously the base and the argument has to be greater than 0. So we can say that x minus 1 has to be greater than 0. And we also know that x has to be greater than 0 and x can't be equal to 1. So guys, if you calculate the overall domain of this particular function, so यहाँ से आपको मिल जाएगा कि x has to be greater than 1, right? So this would be the answer of the first case. Now, similarly, if you talk about the denominator, so if you talk about the denominator, so it will be saying that x minus 1 जो यहाँ पे base है और जो argument है दोनों ही greater than 0 होने चाहिए. That means x minus 4 has to be greater than 0 and x minus 1 has to be greater than 0, and also we have to say that the x minus 1 can't be 1. Right everybody? So this is the overall picture right now. Moreover, we also know that from here we will be getting x minus 4 should be greater than 0. That means x should be greater than 4, right? Moreover, the basic idea behind any rational function is that the denominator cannot be 0. So we can say that the basic idea of rational function, right, of p by q function is that your denominator, which is nothing but log base x minus 1, x minus 4 can't be 0, right everybody? So from there you definitely will get that x minus 4 can't be 1 because log 1 is 0, right? So we don't want x minus 4 to be simply 1. So that is why we will get that x can't be 5. So from all the three cases, we can plot the number line, right? We can plot the fantastic number line over here. We will have critical points as 1, 4, and 5, right? So from here we'll get x is greater than 1. Here we'll get x is greater than 4 and x can't be 5. So overall, you will get this shaded region. That means x belongs to 4 to infinity except 5, and that, my dear students, is the answer of this question. But let's suppose if we have to do it in the I-30 way, so there's a very simple idea behind it. That is, we can simply check the options and we can definitely get the answer in seconds. So what we will do is that we will first of all put the options, right? Here what is happening in the option C, we have 1 and 4 included. So what we will do is we'll put 1 and check whether it is satisfying. I guess no, because the base over here is becoming 0 and here the argument is also becoming 0, which is not possible. So this option is negated. Secondly, अगर आप देखें लास्ट ऑप्शन में क्या है, 5 इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, 5 इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड. सो एक बार 5 पुट करके देखें, तो एक बार अगर आप 5 पुट करके देखेंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर कितना आ जाएगा गाइज? डिनोमिनेटर विल कम एज log समथिंग ऑफ 5 minus 4, which will be log 1, and that will make the denominator 0 and the fundamental of rational function will be wrong, right? तो ये ऑप्शन भी आपको यहां से पता चलेगा कि 5 नहीं है, so this option also becomes wrong. मोर ओवर 0 और 1 के बीच में कोई भी वैल्यू डालेंगे तो यहां पे नेगेटिव आने लगेगा, यहां भी नेगेटिव आने लगेगा, यहां भी नेगेटिव लाने लगेगा, which is absolutely not possible. So therefore this option is also wrong. So again we will get that option D will be correct. So this method you can solve this question in 10 seconds. So that is your answer, guys. You like the video, please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Take care.